हे गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। सो मैंने आपको बोला था कि आज मैं क्वेश्चन आंसर एक्सप्लेन करने वाली हूँ। अ लेटर टू गॉड, चैप्टर फर्स्ट, अ लेटर टू अ गॉड के। सो ये क्वेश्चन आंसर मैं एक्सप्लेन करूँ उससे पहले अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो फास्ट सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को क्लिक कीजिए, और इस वीडियो के ख़त्म होने के बाद इस वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए और इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट डिड लेंचो हॉप, लेंचो ने क्या उम्मीद रखी थी। लेंचो hoped for rains as the only thing that his field of ripe corn needed was a shower. Why did Lencho say that raindrops were like new coins? लेंचो ने ऐसा क्यों बोला कि रेनड्रॉप्स न्यू कॉइन्स की तरह। लेंचो क्रॉप्स वर रेडी फॉर हार्वेस्ट as raindrops would have helped in getting a better harvest, resulting in more prosperity. So Lencho compared them with new coins. हाउ डिड रेन चेंज वॉट हैपन टू लेंचो फील्ड, रेन कैसे चेंज हो गई और लेंचो के फील्ड में क्या हुआ। द रेन वॉज पॉरिंग डाउन but suddenly a strong wind began to blow. Very large hailstorm began to fall along with the rain. All the crop in Lencho field destroyed. What were Lencho feeling when hail stopped? After hail stopped, Lencho's soul was filled with sadness. He could see black future of him, his and his family. He was worried about lack of food for the coming year. Who or what did Lencho have faith in what he do? Lencho have faith in God. He believed the God eyes see everything, where even what is the deep in one's conscience. He wrote a letter to God saying that he need 100 pesos to sow his field again. Who read the letter? Postmaster read the letter. What did postmaster do then? The postmaster first laughed, but then became serious. He was deeply moved by the vital faith in God. He did not want to shake this faith, so he decided to collect the money and send to Lencho. Was Lencho surprised to find letter for him with money in it? No, Lencho was not at all surprised to see the letter from God with money inside it. His confidence and faith in the God was such that he had expected that reply from God. What made him angry? When he finished counting money, he found only 17 pesos, but he demanded 100 pesos. He was confident that God could not neither make a mistake nor deny him what he was requested. Therefore, he concluded that the post office employees must have taken remaining 30 pesos. ये एक्सरसाइज है, ये टेक्स्ट बुक के जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स होते हैं वो है, और ये थिंकिंग अबाउट टेक्स्ट आया। Who does Lencho have complete faith in? Which sentence in the story tell? Lencho had complete faith in God. The sentence in the story that show these are as follows. But in the hearts of all who lived in that solitary house in the middle of the valley, there was a single hope, help from God. All through the night, Lencho thought only his one hope, the help of God, whose eyes, as he had been instructed, see everything, even what is deep in one's conscience. The point, God, he wrote, if you don't help me, my family and I will go hungry this year. वो लिखता क्या है कि गॉड, अगर तुम इस साल मुझे मदद नहीं करोगे तो मैं और मेरी फैमिली इस साल भूखे रह जाएंगे. Fourth point, he wrote to God on the envelope, put the letter inside, and still trouble went to town. God could not have made a mistake, nor could he have denied Lancho what he had requested. Sixth point, it said, God of the money that I asked for only 17 pesos reached me. Send me rest since I need it very much. Second, why does postmaster send money to Lancho? Why does he sign the letter God? Postmaster was moved by Lancho complete faith in God, So he decided to send money to Lencho. Moreover, the postmaster did not want to shake Lencho's faith in God, so he signed the letter God. It was a God poly to convey a message that God had himself written the letter. Third, did Lencho try to find out who had sent the money to him? Why or why not? No, Lencho does not try to find out who had sent money to him. This is because he had great confidence in God. Never suspected that it could be someone else other than God who would send him this money. लेंचो ने ढूंढा ही नहीं कि उसे किसने मनी सेंड किए, नहीं फाइंड किया उसने. क्यों? क्योंकि उसका जो फेथ है वो बहुत ही उसका जो स्ट्रॉन्ग फेथ है भगवान में वो बहुत पक्का था. उसका जो विश्वास है भगवान में बहुत पक्का था. वो सोच ही नहीं सकता कि गॉड के अलावा कोई और उसे मनी सेंड कर सकता है. His faith in God was so strong that he believed that God had sent him money. Who does Lencho think has taken the rest of the money? What is the irony in the situation? Remember that irony of the situation is an unexpected aspect of it. An ironic situation is strange and amusing because it is the opposite of what expected. Lencho thinks that the post office people have taken the money. It is the post office people who send the money to Lencho. But on the other hand, Lencho thinks they have stolen his money. He calls them crooks. Thus, there is an element of irony in this situation. Fifth, are there people like Lencho in real world? What kind of person would have say he is? You have select appropriate words from the box to answer the question. अब बॉक्स में कौन से ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं? ग्रीडी, नेटिव, stupid, ungrateful, selfish, commercial, unquestioning. I don't think there can be any such people in real life. Lencho is literate and yet does not know how his letter will reach God without any address. He probably would be naive and unquestioning. There are two kinds of conflict in this story. Conflict between humans and nature and between humans themselves. How are this conflict illustrated? The conflict between humans and nature is shown by destruction of Lencho crops by the hailstorms. As the crops failed by hail, Lencho started feeling sad and gloomy. After the storm, appropriately projects the conflict of nature and the man. Story also shown another conflict between humans themselves. The postmaster, along with the help of the other post office employees, sent Lencho the money that they could manage to collect. They were not relented to Lencho in any manner. It was an act of kindness and selflessness on their part, even though they did a good deed. Lencho blamed them for taking away some amount of money. This shows that man does not have faith in his fellow humans, thereby giving rise to this conflict. So guys, you have to see this grammar. ये ग्रामर का पोर्शन है. हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में सेंड करूँगी, आपको अपलोड करूँगी इसका दूसरा वीडियो. सो ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं. अगर ये आपको समझ में आ गए हों और इसमें अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेरी हो तो प्लीज़ कमेंट कीजिए. और ये ग्रामर पोर्शन तो मैं दूसरे वीडियो में अपलोड करूँगी. सो थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.